Today we'll focus on in number system how can rationalize by denominators. Okay, basically some question given like 1 upon x plus root y or root x plus root y, or sometime given 1 upon root x minus root y type question. Then how can rationalize, or sometime given like here x plus root y or root x plus root y. Okay, simply y, here plus or minus, here plus or minus, here plus or minus. Okay, given. Then how can rationalize this type of problem? So first of all, we have focused on how can rationalize if given plus and 1 upon root x plus root y type. Okay, simply look very carefully. Our motto, first of all, what is our motto? Our motto, how can eliminate denominator roots. Okay, so simply if this one written root x plus root y, if multiply and divided by root x minus root y, okay, divided by how much? Root x minus root y. Okay, I hope so clear. Now look here very carefully. That one written root x minus root y divided by how much? Here root x to the whole square and here root y to the whole square. So that one written simply root x minus root y divided by how much? That is x minus y. Okay, that is how much? X minus y. So simply look like that one. Okay, now another way, if this question given like root x minus root y, then how can solve this type of problem? Simply that one written, our target is how much? Our target is first of all eliminate denominator roots. So how can eliminate denominator roots? Simply if multiply and divide by how much? Root x plus root y divided by root x plus root y. Okay, then that one written simply root x plus root y divided by how much? Here root x to the whole square minus root y to the whole square. Okay, after that, that one written simply root x plus root y divided by x minus y. Okay, it means how can memorize this type of problem? How can memorize this type of formula? You can also generate in all question one by one. Otherwise, if you want to memorize that formula, then how can memorize? Look here, if here in denominator root x plus root y, then we got how much? Root x minus root y divided by in denominator x minus y. But if here in denominator root x minus root y, then we got how much? Root x plus root y divided by x minus y. Okay, simply it means if you memorize, means here plus, here negative, here positive. It means, so you can say that 1 upon, if you memorize, then root x plus root y divided by minus y is written in both case. Denominator is written as x minus y, but if here plus, then that one written root x minus root y. If here minus, then written plus. Okay, so if you memorize that formula, then written like that one. Okay, I hope so clear. So simply you can say that 1 upon root x plus root y upon 1 upon root x plus root y is written as root x minus root y divided by x minus y. Or another word, if this one is given root x minus root y, 1 upon root x minus root y is given, then you can write now direct formula, use root x plus root y under root x plus root y under root y divided by x minus y. I hope so clear. So now let apply that formula, some basic question. Then after that we focus on move on another topic. Okay, let us consider first of all make it. After that we have focus on question. Okay. One upon 3 plus root 2 is given. Okay, this one is given. Question is say rationalize. Okay, rationalize the denominator 1 upon 3 plus root 2. Simply this one written, if you apply that formula here, okay, then you can write now here first of all here 3. So this one written root 9 and that one written root 2. Simply. Okay. After that here positive, it means that one written root 9 minus root 2 divided by how much? 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. Very simple. Okay. If you use direct formula, then you can, if you use that formula, here positive means root x minus root y, means here root 9 minus root 2 divided by here x minus y. So x is 9 and y is how much? 2. So 9 minus 2. Okay. So finally we got how much? That is 3 and here minus root 2 divided by how much? 9 minus 2, that is how much? 7 is the right answer. Okay. Now I will take another problem. 1 upon 8 plus 5 root 2. How can rationalize the denominator? How can rationalize this denominator? Look here very carefully. That one written, if you using that formula directly, then you can, that one written, that one 64 in under root 64, that is 8, and this one, if 5 is going on, basically 5 root 2, that one written 5 2 square into 2, that is 25 into 2, that is 50. So that is root 50. So here written 50. I hope so clear. After that, look here very carefully. That one, this one is x and that is y. If you use that formula directly, so written how much? 1 upon, first of all, here x minus y means 64 minus 50, and numerator is written as under root 64 and here under root 50. Okay, under root 64 basically 8, under 50 is 5 root 2, divide by how much? That is 14. Okay, is the right answer. Make it. After that, I will take another problem. Question number 3. 6 divided by root 3 plus 2. How can solve? First of all, everyone can try. Okay, everyone can try. Then after that, see here. Okay, take 2 or 3 minutes. Now, how can solve? 6 upon root 3 plus root 2. Simply look very carefully. Simply this one written 6 into 1 upon root 3 plus root 2. Okay. Now apply that formula, apply here. So you can write now 6 root here root 3 plus root 2. It means root 3 minus root 2 divided by how much? 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2. Then how much? 3 minus 2, that is 1. So 6 by 1. That is root 3 minus root 2. I hope so clear. So that one 6 root 3 simply written like that one. is the final answer. Okay, make it. If anyone face any doubt, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay, so I hope so clear. Make it. After that, I will take another problem. So basic formula is how much? 1 upon root x. If here plus, here minus, then that one is simply root x, here root y, here plus, and divided by x minus y. This is the basic formula. Okay, you can generate here. Okay, okay. Now I will take another problem also. Three upon root 3 minus root 5. Okay, question number 4. 3 upon, question is given 3 upon root 3 minus root 5. This one rationalize. Okay, how can rationalize this one? Simply look here. First of all, this one is converted like that one. This one written 3 into 1 upon, here root 3 minus root 5. So written root 3 minus root 5. Okay, now after that apply. X is 3, y is 5. So here minus, it means if here minus, then that one is plus. So 3 into root 3 plus root 5 divided by how much? 3 minus 5. So that is minus 2. So this one written minus 3 by 2 into root 3 plus root 5 is the final answer. Make it. Okay. Now next problem is question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 is say, that one says 6 minus 4 root 3 divided by how much? 6 plus 4 root 3. 6 plus 4 root 3. Okay. So first of all, how can rationalize this one? Simply look here. Look, that is 6 into 4 root 3 into, if you want apply that concept here, then simply that one written 1 upon 6 is written as under root 36 plus 4 16 into 3, that is 48. Okay. First of all, this one is converted like that one, root x and root y type. So that's why 6 is written as root 36 and 4 root 3, that one is written as 4 square into 3. It means that is 16 into 3, that is 64. That's why written. Okay, I hope so clear. Why this one written like that one? Why written like that one? After that, this one written 6 minus 4 root 3 divided by how much? Sorry. here plus that one, that concept apply here. So this one written root 36 minus root 48 divided by how much? 36 minus 48. Okay. That is 6. Here positive, so negative, here negative. Okay. And here 6 minus 4 root 3. But in denominator, that one 36 minus 48 minus 12. So minus 1 by 12, and that one is 6 minus 4 root 3 to the whole square. So simply minus 1 by 12, that one 6 square plus 4 root 3 to the whole square minus 2 into 6 into 4 root 3. Okay. After that minus 1 by 12, and that one 36 plus 48 minus 48 into root 3. Okay. Now minus 1 by 12, that one 36. If 12 is common, then this one written 3 and that one written 4 and that one written 4 root 3. Okay. After that, that one written 7 minus 4 root 3, or you can say that 4 root 3 minus 7 is the right answer. I hope so clear. Make it.